Hello, welcome to Simple Gifts Music Studio, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and get notification for the next lesson. So now this is for the Lonely Wraith from the Creeps book by Jason Sifford. So this is page 7. The Lonely Wraith has B flat as your key signature, so we have two possibilities, the F major or the D minor. So now how do we know if it's major or minor, which key it is? First of all, what does it sound like? That's the opening. It sounds like a minor, so that helps to know. And also the bass note is not an F, but it's defined with a D, so that usually tells you we're in D minor. So now right hand is in D minor 5-finger position. Now left hand jumps up to B flat in treble clef. So pay attention to the treble clef. Now left hand jumps back down to this low bass D. Make sure in the right octaves comes back to B flat above middle C because we're in treble clef again. Both hands in treble clef. Both hands move down by a step. So the right hand is F minor, left hand is D flat major. So you have A flat and D flat. Still in that same position. And now go back to the opening position. Use 2-4, left hand fingering. Turn the page and then now we mysteriously go to the bass clef. I want to point out your left hand starting from the top of the second page has treble clef. B flat and C sharp and A, and go down C and G, B natural. And believe or not, even though we're going from treble clef to bass clef, you're roughly in the same spot. You have B natural and F sharp. 2, go down to B, and then B flat and F natural, go down to B flat. Back to B natural and F sharp, go down to B natural, and then A and E, go down to A. So let's see how does that work out. Slow down a little bit, crescendo and decrescendo, just like an opening. Go up, 2, 4, 1, 5. That's a left hand fingering. Right hand move to G and D. Left hand moves by a step. Like go down a step. Down to the bass D. Come back up. 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, and then go down parallel. Hold it because we have fermata. Like a scale on the right hand. 1, 5 with F sharp and F sharp. Now what you will notice is we're starting the piece in D minor, but we're ending it with a D major chord with F sharp. It's called a Picardy third. P-I-C-A-R-D-Y. That is when you raise the third of the final portion of the piece. That's what we call the cadence. And you're modulating and changing the key or the feelings from minor to major. So listen to that again. We're going to start from measure 37. Both hands in bass clef. So So now from the beginning to the end, so you know what it sounds like.